doing? You going to see your sister? Huh? You wanna climb in your sister's bed? Yeah. Go wake her up. Go wake her up. You're awake?
No.
No? Do you want to get up? Huh? What's the matter? You relaxing?
Yeah.
Your sister's relaxing? Look at you, Gracie. Like a big girl. Who's that, Minnie Mouse? Is that Minnie Mouse?
No, Minnie Mouse is not here.
Who's that?
That's big Minnie Mouse.
Big Minnie Mouse.
And Mickey. Big Goofy too. And that's that Pluto.
Little Pluto. Look at that pretty bow.
He thinks yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like that pretty bow, Gracie? You like that pretty bow?
This cock. The cock.
Who is that?
This cock.
Clark?
Yeah. I was sleeping last night. He was in here.
Really?
Now he was